Hello students, this is Dr. Ruchira Choudhury and today we will solve some problems related to differential equation which are mainly linear differential equation of G-main mathematics. So let's start. So this is the first problem of linear differential equation. The integrating factor of the differential equation, this is the differential equation is given by, these are the four options and we will have to choose the correct option. Now at first we will have to learn what is linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy dx plus py equals to q, where p, q are function of x only, is said to be a linear differential equation. So this is the form of a linear differential equation. So any differential equation which is linear, then at first you will have to convert the differential equation in this form, and then you will have to find out the function p and q, and then you find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is written as this I dot f, and integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx, and then multiply this integrating factor with this differential equation. So you multiply both sides of the differential equation by this integrating factor, and then you will ultimately find the solution of the differential equation as y into if, that is y into integrating factor, equals to integration this q into if, that is integrating factor dx plus c. So what are the steps to find the solution of the differential equation is that step 1, at first you will have to convert this differential equation in this form, that is dy dx plus py equals to q, and find the value of p and q. Step 2, you will find the integrating factor as this e to the power integration p dx. Step 3, you multiply the integrating factor on both sides of the differential equation. And step 4, finally you will get the solution of the differential equation as this, that is y into if equals to q into integration q dot if dx plus c. If means integrating factor of the differential equation. So at first we will have to convert this differential equation in linear form as dy dx plus py equals to q. So this can be written as dy dx plus y dot 1 by 3x log x equals to 2 divided by 3 x log x will be cancelled, that is this. This is the linear form where p equals to 1 divided by 3x log x and q equals to 2 divided by 3x. So integrating factor will be e to the power integration dx divided by 3x log x. Now if I put log x to be z, now I am putting log x to be z, then this will be e to the power integration dx by x will be dz, so dz divided by 3z. So this will be e to the power 1/3 log z, and so z to the power 1/3, and this will be z means we have put z equals to log x, so log x whole to the power 1 by 3, and D is the correct option. So let's come to the second problem. This is the second problem. The solution of the differential equation, this is linear differential equation, and there are 4 options and you will have to find out the correct option. So this is already in the form of dy dx plus py equals to q, where p, q are function of x. So p equals to 1 by x and q equals to 1 by root of 1 plus x square. And so integrating factor will be e to the power integration dx divided by x. So e to the power log x means x. So solution will be y into integrating factor means x equals to integration q into integrating factor, q means this, so integrating factor means this, so x divided by root of 1 plus x square plus dx plus c. This is the general solution of the differential equation. Now we will have to find out the integration value of this integration. So I am doing 1 divided by 2, there will be 2x. So if I put this term as z, so this will be dx dz divided by root z. So this will be 2 root z means 2 root over of 1 plus x square plus c. So let's come to the third problem. Solution of the differential equation. These are the 4 options. This is linear in form. We'll have to just divide the differential equation by x to get the form of dy dx plus py equals to q. So dy dx, this will be dy dx plus 2y by x equals to x log x. This is the form of dy dx plus py plus q. Dy dx plus py equals to q. So this is the form of dy dx plus py equals to q. So p equals to 2 divided by x and q equals to x log x. So integrating factor will be e to the power integration p dx means 2 dx divided by x, e to the power 2 log x means x square. So integrating factor is x square. Now the second step is we will have to multiply the both sides of the differential equation by x square and get the general solution of the differential equation. So the general solution will be y into integrating factor means y into x square equals to integration q into integrating factor, q means this x log x into integrating factor means x square dx. Ultimately this will be x cube and this will be x cube log x dx plus c. This is the general solution of the differential equation. So we will have to integrate this term, that is log x into integration x cube dx minus integration ddx of log x means 1 by x to the power 4 by 4 dx plus c. This is the integration by parts. So this is x to the power 4 log x divided by 4 minus this will be x to the power 3. So this will be x to the power 4 divided by 16 plus c. So ultimately this will be x square y minus x to the power 4 log x divided by 4 plus x to the power 4 by 16 equals to c. So this will be ultimately x to the power 4 divided by 16. So c is the correct option. So students, these are the mainly 3 linear differential equations that we solved in this class. And if you want to get more solution of the problems related to G, main and advanced, then subscribe my channels and join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel to get the updates of my new class. So for today it's time to say bye bye.